This tutorial will show you how to fade in audio tracks in Capcut Mobile completely for free. If you like what you see, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel with all post notifications. If you want to learn how I create content online and save hundreds of hours per year, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and enjoy the tutorial. Alright, the first step to fade in an audio track on Capcut Mobile is to open up Capcut for iPhone or Android. This will work for both. Open up or load a project and have a video clip on the timeline. In this case, I'm going to click the video and it's going to turn color blue. It's selected and highlighted. Next step is you want to click add audio, which should be beneath your video clip. And then you have a couple choices to add a sound, brand music, copyright, sound effects. You can extract the audio, text to audio, voiceover, custom voices. In this case, I'm going to click sounds, which is the first option. And I'm going to pick one of Capcut's free sounds under, let's say, summer. And then we'll click this soundtrack right to click plus. And as you can see, it added the soundtrack or music piece under our video. Now basically, this is what we have. Ready? But I want to fade in, or we want to fade in the music and audio piece. So click the music and audio piece right here. You see it selected and highlighted. And now basically you want to scroll down, and now you want to click the second option, which says fade next to volume. And then you can fade in by moving this to the right and see how the audio piece slowly fades in. Ready? And then you can do the same thing with fade out if you would like. If you're happy or satisfied, click the check mark, and then you can export this completely for free. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.